So today I decided to take the extra room where I live and make it into like a little recording spot, studio, whatever. Just so I could have somewhere cute kind of to make videos and stuff, because I've been doing it in the living room and in the kitchen and the lighting's kind of bad. So the first thing I have is this desk. I got it from Amazon. This is the grass squares, like the fake grass backdrop. Oh, it's heavy. And then I have a box of mirrors that I'm going to use to decorate this wall. I also got curtain lights from Five Below that I want to use. I am going to be creating a light box, you know, the box that you put the letters and you write stuff. I couldn't find one the size that I wanted, so I decided I'm going to make this. If you want to see how I made it, I'm going to make a separate video for it, so just be on the lookout. I also got some art pieces, just one art piece to put on the desk, just so it's not bare, and a little garment rack, which I don't really need in here. This is just for another video I'm going to do, but this is where it's going to be at. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up the grass, because it's going to need some time for it to kind of puff up from being in the box. Or not even, because I waited so long to get the stuff I need. Okay. It's looking thick. It's so thick, like you can barely see through it. This will make me so happy. So now I have it all laid out. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to be cleaning off the walls with some Lysol wipes, just so when I'm sticking the stuff on the walls, there's no dirt, so it slides off. Some instructions. How hard can it be to put the table together? Y'all, it said it was gonna come with zip ties. There are no zip ties, but maybe my grandma has some. Let's go check. Those birds scared me. Doesn't look like grandma's here. So my grandma owns all things creative, so I'm pretty sure if I look in this wall, I'll find what I'm looking for. I think I like these. Yes. Okay, let's get back to the house. Look who I see when I come out the door.
I wouldn't have to break in if he was here.
Yeah, right.
She had all the stuff I needed and more.
So basically you just take this little piece here and you snap it into the hole right here, so you don't actually need the zip ties.
Batteries from grandma's house. Okay, y'all, so I got some help.
Like this. Oh, grandma got the bonnet on and you recording.
My nephew came to help me, y'all, because he was struggling. Okay, I need to undo this and get it straightened out like that.
No. Act right. Yes, sir.
Okay, y'all, now we about to put together this garment rack, this clothing rack. It's not really needed for this room, like I said earlier, but I'm gonna use it in another video, so I'm gonna just put it up now with my sister. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, my mirrors are on the floor, and that's because they fell off the wall and broke. I think 3 of them broke, so I had to go and I had to get some more. I'm gonna start the mirror thing over again. I'm gonna hang them up with actual command strips, because last time I used Velcro strips, but they weren't command, and I know for a fact that these will hold up on the wall. So I actually end up redoing the entire wall just because it wasn't sitting straight to me. I know it doesn't look straight right now, but that's because the ceiling is kind of at an angle and my camera is off. So I finally got that wall put up in the lights. I'm gonna put up some curtains. They're sheer curtains I got from Walmart. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do short or the long ones. I really want to do the short. Okay, so here I'm pretty sure you won't be able to tell what I'm doing, but I'm basically putting tape on the mirror, then sticking a nail through another piece of tape the same size, and then sticking that piece of tape on the mirror so that the nail will stay on the mirror so I can put it into the wall. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It looks so pretty, like it just looks so pretty and I'm so excited. But anyway, make sure you like this video and I will see you on next video. Peace.